My professor, well, he's very great. He's all hands-on and he explains things to us in a way that we get it.
The fact that they're so knowledgeable in their background, the fact that they're so passionate in their background, and the fact that you're not just a number, you're a student and they see potential future in you. That's what I love most.
The best 4 years of my entire life. The professors here are absolutely incredible.
If you're that type of person where you actually want to go to work and do something while you're learning, that's the experience that I enjoy the most, and that's why I think it's a great place.
You have a lot of the same professors for different classes. They have all had prior experience in the field, so what they're teaching you is what they have experienced.